Hey guys, well we're hooked up again, fixing to head out on another adventure. I hope you can see me. It's a little dark. We're getting a late start tonight. We are actually headed to Chesapeake, Virginia, going to her aunt's house for the next week. Not going to really be camping, just kind of be camping in her driveway. She's had knee surgery, so my wife's going up there to help her out. So don't know if we'll get the video tonight. We're going to try to drive part of the way and kind of park at a Walmart, maybe get us a place, maybe stop at a Walmart overnight for a little while and finish it out in the morning. So if I don't get to video any tonight, I'll catch back up with you sometime in the morning. Well, good morning, YouTube. It's the next day. We are pulled into Cabela's here on Interstate 81, just north of Bristol, Virginia, on the north side of Bristol. Stayed overnight, got here about 1:30, so that's why we didn't get to video any last night. But fixing to pack up here, gonna head on up around Withville, stop and get us something to eat, and then head on out. Boy, it's a beautiful day today. Looks like it's gonna be very sunny, nice day. So we'll try to get some video in, and we'll see y'all on the road. Well, just take a look at the morning. Sun's coming up over the mountains. A little foggy this morning. Everything looks gonna be a beautiful day. Got the puppies out, letting them potty. Isabella, she's pottying, and we're gonna pack it up and head on. See y'all on the road. stopped at this little pull-off here on the interstate. The wind was kind of bad, so I wasn't able to talk a lot, but beautiful little spot looking over the mountains. We stop here about every time we come up just to kind of get a feel for things. Now there's some signs here that tells about what it's about. You can stop the recording when it gets to them if you want to read them. Just tells a little bit about the site, a little bit about the area, some important things that happened here, and a little bit of history. So just you can stop and check them out, and then we'll get back on the road here in just a minute. Well, hey guys, well, it's been a day or two since we got here. Haven't been able to check in much. We've had a lot going on trying to get in here with our aunt and get everything set up and figure out what we're doing and everything. This is our setup for pretty much for the week. As you can see, we are set up in the driveway. We're just running on minimal power. We're showering everything inside the house. They're letting us use everything inside the house. Running on just what water we got in our tanks. We'll find a place to dump whenever we get ready to leave. So just wanted to check in. We're going to be I'm going to be going out and maybe looking at some campgrounds, so I'll shoot another video out about that. But right now I'm going to close this video out, and I guess we'll check back in with you later. If you like my videos, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button down there, hit that little bell so it'll let you know when I'm going to be posting more videos. But I'll try to get some more out this week, and we're going to be here. This is Monday morning. We're going to be here till Friday. We'll leave out Friday going back home and making another nighttime stop. So we'll check back in with you later. Y'all have a good one.